This video is specifically for you if you're over 60 and struggling with swollen legs, ankles, and painful feet that make it hard to enjoy your golden years. I know how frustrating it is when your doctor immediately assumes it's your heart, liver, or kidneys and starts prescribing expensive medications with scary side effects. But there's one incredibly common cause that affects millions of seniors that most doctors completely overlook. And the best part is you can fix it naturally without dangerous blood thinners or water pills that leave you running to the bathroom every hour. What I'm about to share with you has helped thousands of seniors, just like you, get back to enjoying walks with their grandchildren, gardening, and living pain-free. In fact, just last month, Dorothy, a 78-year-old grandmother from Texas, told me her ankles were so swollen she couldn't wear her favorite shoes for over 2 years. After following the simple protocol I'm about to share, she's back to dancing at her church socials and even took a trip to visit her great-grandchildren. So, if you're tired of feeling uncomfortable in your own skin and want to reclaim your active lifestyle, stay with me for the next few minutes because this could change everything for you. Before we dive into this life-changing information, I want you to know you're not alone in this struggle. If you're currently dealing with swollen legs, ankles, or feet, please type "Help me" in the comments below so I can see how many of my fellow seniors are facing this challenge. I read every single comment and often respond personally because I truly care about your health and well-being. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring that notification bell because I share health secrets specifically designed for seniors that your doctor probably hasn't told you about. Next week, I'm revealing the shocking truth about why your blood pressure medications might actually be making your swelling worse. And if this video resonates with you, type 1 in the comments below. If not, type 0. Now, let me ask you something personal. How long have you been dealing with this swelling? 6 months? A year? Some of you watching this might have been suffering for years, thinking it's just part of getting older. Well, I'm here to tell you that swollen legs and feet are not a normal part of aging, and you don't have to live with this discomfort anymore. At 65, 70, or even 80 years old, you deserve to feel comfortable in your own body and enjoy every precious day you have. Let me explain what's really going on inside your body when you experience that uncomfortable swelling, medically called edema. As we age, our bodies change in ways that make us more susceptible to fluid retention. But it's not just about drinking too much water or eating too much salt, like many doctors will tell you. The real problem starts with tiny cellular pumps called sodium-potassium pumps that work like little engines in every cell of your body. These pumps are constantly working to move fluid in and out of your cells, maintaining the perfect balance that keeps you healthy and comfortable. As we get older, these pumps can start to slow down and become less efficient, especially when we're missing certain nutrients that keep them running smoothly. When these cellular pumps begin to malfunction, fluid starts to accumulate outside your cells, particularly in your lower extremities due to gravity. This is why you notice the swelling most in your legs, ankles, and feet, especially after standing or sitting for long periods. But here's what's particularly concerning for seniors. Many of you are dealing with elevated blood sugar levels, even if you haven't been diagnosed with diabetes. When your blood sugar runs high, those sugar molecules actually stick to your blood proteins, particularly hemoglobin, in a process called glycation. Your doctor measures this with the A1C test, which shows how much sugar has attached to your blood proteins over the past 3 months. Once sugar gets attached to these proteins, it stays there until the cell dies, and this sticky situation creates a cascade of problems that directly contribute to swelling. This sugar damage, or glycation, hurts your blood proteins and reduces their ability to transport oxygen and nutrients efficiently throughout your body. The result is poor circulation, leaky blood vessels, and increased fluid retention. Your body also starts holding onto more sodium when blood sugar is elevated, which makes the water retention even worse. Over time, this process can damage the small nerves in your feet and legs, causing that numbness and tingling sensation that many seniors experience, known as peripheral neuropathy. Here's something that might surprise you. Many seniors today are actually malnourished despite eating regularly. The processed foods that fill our grocery stores are stripped of the essential vitamins and minerals your body needs to function properly. Add to this the fact that as we age, our digestive system becomes less efficient at absorbing nutrients, and you have a perfect storm for deficiencies that directly contribute to swelling and other health problems. Your generation grew up eating more whole foods, fresh vegetables from gardens, and meals prepared from scratch. Today's convenience foods, while easy to prepare, simply don't provide the nutrition your body needs to maintain those cellular pumps and keep fluid balance in check. This is why addressing these nutritional gaps is so crucial for managing swelling and maintaining your health as you age. Before I reveal the most important vitamin for fixing swollen legs and feet, let me tell you about 2 minerals that are absolutely essential for seniors dealing with fluid retention. First is potassium, which acts like a natural water pill, but without the harsh side effects of prescription diuretics. Potassium helps regulate fluid balance in your body by working directly with those sodium-potassium pumps I mentioned earlier. The challenge is that you need about 4,700 milligrams of potassium daily, which is quite a lot. To put this in perspective, you'd need to eat about 15 bananas every day to get that amount, and that would send your blood sugar through the roof. Instead, focus on these potassium-rich foods that won't spike your blood sugar. Dried apricots without added sugar, a handful of pistachios, cooked beet greens, Swiss chard, spinach, baked potatoes with the skin, and plain Greek yogurt. These foods are not only rich in potassium, but also provide other nutrients your senior body needs. The second crucial mineral is magnesium, and this one is like a miracle worker for seniors. Magnesium helps balance blood sugar levels, reduces fluid retention, and supports proper nerve function all at the same time. Even better, magnesium actually helps your body absorb other important nutrients more effectively. You should aim for about 420 milligrams of magnesium daily, and the best sources include pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, dark chocolate with at least 70% cacao, spinach, and Brazil nuts. Just 2 or 3 Brazil nuts provide a significant amount of magnesium, making them perfect for seniors who want an easy way to boost their intake. Now let's talk about the most important nutrient for seniors dealing with swollen legs and feet: vitamin B1, also called thiamine. This vitamin is absolutely critical for your body's ability to use glucose for energy, and here's why this matters so much as you age. Every time you eat anything containing carbohydrates or sugar, your body converts it to glucose for energy. But without adequate vitamin B1, your body can't efficiently use this glucose, leading to a host of problems, including fluid retention. Here's where it gets really important for seniors. Many of you are consuming more refined carbohydrates and processed foods than ever before, whether it's white bread, pasta, crackers, or sweets. These foods not only lack vitamin B1, but they actually require B1 from your body's reserves to be processed. It's like making a withdrawal from your nutritional bank account every time you eat these foods. Over the years, this creates a significant deficiency that directly affects those cellular pumps responsible for fluid balance. When you're deficient in vitamin B1, those sodium-potassium pumps simply can't work properly, leading to the fluid retention and swelling you're experiencing. Additionally, B1 deficiency can cause nerve damage, which explains why many seniors with swollen legs also experience numbness, tingling, or burning sensations in their feet and legs. This isn't just coincidence, it's your body telling you it needs more B1. Unfortunately, some common habits among seniors actually prevent your body from absorbing vitamin B1 properly. If you're drinking several cups of coffee or tea throughout the day, especially if you like strong tea or chew on tea leaves, you're interfering with B1 absorption. Even decaffeinated coffee and tea can impact how well your body uses this crucial vitamin. Many seniors also enjoy a glass of wine or other alcoholic beverages, but alcohol severely depletes your B1 stores and blocks absorption of new B1 from food. Certain medications commonly prescribed to seniors can also interfere with B1 absorption, including some diuretics and blood pressure medications. If you're taking multiple medications, which many seniors are, you're at even higher risk for B1 deficiency. This is why it's so important to focus on getting B1 from food sources and reducing the habits that block its absorption. The good news is that there are excellent food sources of vitamin B1 that are perfect for seniors. Sunflower seeds are one of the richest sources and make a great snack or addition to salads. Sesame seeds, which you can sprinkle on vegetables or yogurt, are another excellent choice. DAO, nutritional yeast, which has a pleasant cheesy flavor, can be added to soups, salads, or even popcorn for a B1 boost. For seniors who enjoy legumes, lentils and navy beans are wonderful sources of B1 and provide protein and fiber as well. Green peas, whether fresh or frozen, are easy to prepare and rich in B1. Oats make an excellent breakfast choice, providing sustained energy along with B1. If you eat meat, pork is actually one of the highest sources of vitamin B1, making it an excellent choice for seniors who want to boost their intake significantly. Now that you understand the science, let me give you a practical action plan specifically designed for seniors. First, and most importantly, you need to reduce your intake of refined carbohydrates and processed foods. I know this can be challenging, especially if you've been eating these foods for years, but start small. Replace white bread with whole grain options, choose brown rice over white rice, and limit sugary snacks and desserts. Next, focus on incorporating B1-rich foods into your daily routine. Start your day with oatmeal topped with sunflower seeds, have a serving of lentils or beans with lunch, and consider nutritional yeast as a seasoning for dinner. If you enjoy snacking, choose nuts and seeds over crackers or cookies. Pay attention to your coffee and tea consumption. Instead of having multiple cups throughout the day, try limiting yourself to 1 or 2 cups in the morning and drink plenty of water throughout the day. If you enjoy alcohol, consider reducing your intake to just 1 or 2 drinks per week rather than daily consumption. Make sure you're getting adequate magnesium and potassium from whole food sources. A handful of nuts, some dark leafy greens with dinner, and a baked potato with the skin a few times a week can make a significant difference. Most seniors start noticing improvements in their swelling within 2 to 3 weeks of implementing these changes consistently. You'll likely notice that your shoes fit more comfortably, your socks don't leave deep indentations on your legs, and you feel less heaviness and discomfort in your lower legs and feet. Some seniors report improvements in their energy levels and sleep quality as well as their body's circulation improves. Don't expect overnight miracles. Your body needs time to replenish its nutrient stores and heal from years of deficiency. Be patient with yourself and consistent with these changes. After about a month, you should see significant improvement, and after 2 to 3 months, many seniors report feeling better than they have in years. While nutritional deficiencies are a very common cause of swelling in seniors, I need to emphasize that there can be other serious medical conditions that cause fluid retention. Heart problems, kidney disease, liver issues, blood clots, or reactions to medications can all cause swelling. If you experience sudden onset of swelling in only one leg, chest pain, difficulty breathing, or if your swelling doesn't improve with these nutritional changes within 4 weeks, you must see your healthcare provider immediately. Also, if you're currently taking medications for heart conditions, blood pressure, or diabetes, don't stop taking them without consulting your doctor. The nutritional approach I've outlined can work alongside your current treatments and may even help them work better. But medical supervision is important. My fellow seniors, you deserve to enjoy every day of your golden years without the discomfort and embarrassment of swollen legs and feet. You've worked hard your entire life, raised families, contributed to your communities, and now it's time to focus on your own health and well-being. The simple nutritional changes I've shared with you today have the power to give you back your comfort and mobility. Remember, age is just a number, and feeling good in your body is possible at any age. Don't let anyone tell you that swelling and discomfort are just part of getting older. Take control of your health, make these nutritional changes, and give your body what it needs to heal and thrive. If this information has been helpful to you, and you're committed to taking action to reduce the swelling in your legs and feet, please let me know in the comments. Share your story. How long have you been dealing with this, and which of these nutrients do you think you might be lacking? I love hearing from my viewers and often respond personally to help guide you on your health journey. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell, because I'm constantly sharing health information specifically designed for seniors. Next week, I'll be revealing the 3 foods that are secretly sabotaging your energy levels after age 65. And trust me, you'll be shocked by what I uncover. Remember, if you love your family and want to be there for your grandchildren and great-grandchildren for years to come, you must take care of yourself first. Your health is the foundation that allows you to enjoy all the blessings in your life. Here's to your health, your comfort, and many more active, enjoyable years ahead.